Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to create a simple swivel caster wheel in Solidworks. Here we will create each and every part separately and we will assemble at the end. So this is a good example for the beginners, those who want to learn how to make parts and assembly in Solidworks. This is very good example. So let's start to create this simple swivel caster wheel. Now here we will start our first part, caster wheel. Swivel caster wheel. First part is caster wheel. Front plane, file, new, part. Okay, now we are in the Solidworks interface. Now let's start to create. We will choose here front plane, or you can directly select on sketch. Now let me draw one vertical and horizontal line. It helps us for mirroring the component line. Now let me start from here. Now let me create some relation. Select these two lines collinear. Okay, now these two lines equal. That's it. Now let me choose mirror entity. Once you click mirror, select this all geometry together. Okay, sorry, first select this all geometry together and click mirror entity. Now see, it will automatically mirror. No need to select one by one. Let me close. Okay, now let's define this. If you drop down, see, you will see a diameter. So diameter makes me better, 14 millimeter. Now let me choose this one. Now this one 30 millimeter. That's it. Now this geometry 70 millimeter. Now the last line, and this is the, if we saw center distance 100 millimeter. Now the horizontal length 28 millimeter. millimeter. Now you can see drawing is fully defined. No need to define more. So simply exit and just go to feature, and we will see how to choose revolve boss base command. Here it will ask you axis of revolution, so we will choose this line. See, it's rotating or revolving around this horizontal line. Keep angle 360 degree. Okay, that's it. Now let me define some fillet 1 millimeter, and I'll select some faces. And some edges. We need to create fillet almost in all edges. That's it. Now let me choose the whole body, and we will apply some material or some. Let's go to metal, iron, and we will apply cast iron. But makes color little white. Oh, that's better. Now let me choose this face. Again, edit appearance. I'll select this face. This looks nicer. Okay. Now let me save. Go to desktop, create new folder, and create the name Swivel caster wheel. Now we will assign the first caster wheel, or you can simply say wheel, not the big difference. Now even though if you feel edges are odd, you can simply go to option, documents, property, and see. Now just refresh, see the edges become more sharper. Save. Now the second part we can click from here, new part. Okay, now the next part we will create bracket with the help of sheet metal part. So click here, sheet metal, sketch, front plane. Let me choose here corner rectangle. This will be makes better. Now let me choose the center point and the origin point vertical. Now select bottom line and delete it. This is the drawing we like to create. 68 millimeter, and this one 30 millimeter. Now this is disbalance, so select these two lines, 2 points horizontal, see, and this point also make. Now that's it's perfectly. Go to sheet metal and choose base flange. Now here it's time to expand, so 44 millimeter. Thickness is by default selected 2.7, so we don't need to care about much. Here mid plane, see it's going to move, but thickness we want to keep outside, so here select reverse direction, see it goes outside. Radius 3 millimeter is perfect. K factor we will keep standard 0.5. Okay, now that's it. Now let me choose this face, sketch normal. Now here we want to create some cutouts, so I'll start with from here to here. Just go back to this point and it will convert into circle. Connect with this line. Now let me do one thing, hold shift key, circle and line, make relation tangent. Let me draw little vertical line and select this point tangent so that it looks nicer. 10 millimeter. This vertical no need to define anything, but let's for a sake we will define 10 millimeter. Now this is fully defined geometry. See, if we saw in sheet metal you have extruded cut option, we will try to cut through all, but here select flip side to cut. Click OK. Edit. The reverse arrow goes inside, so click reverse side. Okay, flip side, that's perfect. Okay, now see this looks perfect. Let me choose this face, sketch, circle, and let me draw here a circle. This diameter keep 8 millimeter. Again the same thing, extruded cut, keep and condition through all. Okay, see, try on top, sketch normal. Now here also we want to create a circle, hole, we want to create a hole, so let me draw a diagonal so that we will get a center point. Even we have here origin, so no need to worry. Let me draw this 14.5 millimeter, enter. See, extruded cut, blind, keep through all. Even you can select up to next, means it will cut up to thickness. Now here we need to make one keyhole. Corner rectangle. Let's define this. 2.5 millimeter vertical length, 6 millimeter. Okay. Now let me put, actually we need to define. Now select this circle, convert entities. Now here we found circle, so let me choose these two things, vertical, and this, select the line and this point. Now this is fully defined, so we need to cut only this opposite things, extruded cut. Now here it will ask you, so just select this one and here select up to next, so that it will cut only up to the thickness. That's it. So this is your simple bracket, steel, even though we can put aluminium also, that's this one I feel better, nickel brushed. Save, bracket. Let's move the other part. Now this time we will make bush, so any plane, front plane, sketch, circle, and let me draw two circles, 14 and 8 millimeter. Extrude, 28 millimeter, but keep here end condition mid plane. That's it. Now for appearance, let me choose chrome. Brushed steel, save. Now this is the part number 3, bush, enter. Now let's create the next part, is bolt. Bolt we will make in simple way, sketch, front plane, line, okay. Let's create here little slot. We will create in one shot, we will not go to to trim entity, choose power trim and trim this portion. Now let me start here smart dimension. $40mm, 8mm, 3.75mm. Now let me define this gap. 0.73mm, 3mm. $3.2mm. That's it. $2mm. So this is the simple drawing. Go to feature, choose revolve boss base, and here we need to define the axis of revolution, so we will choose this midline. Keep angle 360 degree. Okay. Fillet 0.5 and I'll choose this face. Okay. Selecting face is better option than separate chamfer. 1.5 and I'll choose this face, this sketch. Now here we will create one rib. So front plane is sketch normal line. $2mm, hold shift key, select the line, hold shift key and select this arrow and you will see the dimension. This is 45 degree. That's it. This is fully defined. So go to feature and choose here rib. See, it's going downward. Thickness 2mm and here keep both side. Angle, let's keep 1mm. See, material we will define here again brushed steel. It is perfect. Save. Bolt. Okay. Now here we created almost 4 parts. So let's make our last part. We will make our second last part is post. Front plane is sketch. Let me we will also try to finish this one in one stroke. Line, Now here let me create first relation. Select these three vertical lines, collinear. Okay, now let's try to finish. 43 millimeter. Seven millimeter. That's it. Two millimeter, and this vertical length three millimeter. Let me define some more dimensions here. Four millimeter. 3.25 millimeter. And this distance 9 millimeter, and distance from here to this line 25 millimeter. That's it. Choose here revolve boss base command and let me select this one. Okay, that's it. Chamfer, I'll select this face 1.5 millimeter, 45 degree. Steel, polished steel. Polished steel, actually it looks little weird or safe. Post. Now here the last part is Circlip. Front plane is sketch, circle, cancel it. We will make Circlip in inches. We will choose top plane. Let me define. .38 inches. That's it. 0.25 inches. Let me connect. Again, let me choose center line. Now select these two lines, mirror entities. Okay, it's not going to select, so now that's it. Now we need to create one more circle, and this circle diameter 0.182 inches. Okay, line, and let me draw again line. That's it. Now let me select here line again, and we want to connect from here to here. Simply I'll put mirror entity, I'll choose this line and mirror about this line. See, now make one relation, horizontal, the same. Now let me choose trim entities. Now power trim, I'll trim this 3 faces, this face, see, this is what the shape we are going to get. .15 inches. Now the same vertical, 0.12 inches. That's fine. .06 inches. So this is your fully defined Circlip design. Extrude 0.025 inches, mid plane. Okay. .02 inches. Let me choose these two ends. Okay. And this Circlip we will define some dark color. Keep dark. Okay. See. Save. Circlip. Now let's start to create assembly. So simply go to make assembly. Now if you go directly, you will get all the parts here. So double click and place here. Again select insert. This one, okay, no, we need some actually we need all the parts here. Okay, let's try to fix. Let me choose the hole and bush. Okay. Concentric relation, not coincident actually. Width mat. Let me choose these 2 faces of wheel and 2 faces of bush, so that it will fix on center point. Save. Drop down standard mats. This hole and this hole. Here choose concentric relation. Again come to the point advanced mat, choose width. Select these 2 faces and parallelly select the 2 faces of bush. Okay. Select this face and select hole. Sorry, concentric. See here concentric relation. Okay. Now we need to create one more relation. Now let me select this back face and this face. It's going to be coincide. Okay, that's fine. Now select this inside face and this circular face. Now see, it's become concentric relation. Now I'll choose this face inside and okay. Now our circlip is fixed here. See. Now what else balance? It's post. Mat. And let me choose this face and circular face. Concentric relation. This face. Coincident relation. Okay, so now here we created all the relations and so this is this simple swivel caster wheel. See it, right click, fixed, right click, float. Now see, it's going to rotate. It's rotating and this one is fixed. So this is this simple tutorial for the beginners who want to learn how to make parts and assemble in SolidWorks. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.